Good afternoon and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing another video on a BMW 330e. So we'll have a walk around the outside of the car whilst we'll talk you through some of the options and spec we have on this stunning Tanzanite blue 330e. We have possibly the highest spec 330e in the country here at Your Next Car within this vehicle, so I'll be sure to get through all the options and spec as quick as possible. So starting with the front, of course we have the LED headlamps, which you can see in operation there. I wanted to do this video outside today on this particular car to show off just how beautiful the individual colour of the Tanzanite blue is. And as you can see there, with the sunlight beaming onto it, it is an absolutely, truly stunning colour. And of course it is an individual colour, so it is a very expensive optional extra to have from the factory. Moving around to the side, we've got the 19-inch LA M Sport multi-spoke alloys, finished in the original polished diamond cut finish. Of course, being the 330e, you will notice the secondary, what looks like a fuel filler cap. However, that's where you charge your vehicle up, should you choose to do so with the provided charging cable. I will leave a link in the top right hand corner at the end of the video, where I do give a full guide through of the 330e benefits and all the technology within them. However, we're just going to focus on the spec on this stunning 330e. You will see there that it has got the glass sunroof, which is currently in the tilt function. Inside the car we've got a beautiful old English saddle brown interior, which once again is the individual leather with the diamond quilted stitching there. And if I just show you the little individual tag, once again meaning a very expensive optional extra, and with the Tanzanite blue of the body colour, it is an absolutely lovely colour combination. Once again, that diamond quilting on the door cards. It has the professional sound, very similar to the Harman Kardon, but not to be confused with it. So it is a bit more punchier than the standard sound system that you can have. Moving around to the back, same story, the individual old English saddle brown with the diamond quilted. The vehicle just has gone onto our website, where you can view up to 80 images of this car. We really wanted to show off this colour as best as we can. However, to truly appreciate it, it is one that you'll definitely want to come and view. In the boot, nice and spacious. Obviously the batteries for the hybrid capabilities are tucked away underneath that false floor there. However, on this model, one of the options is the folding split rear seats, which I'll now demonstrate for you. Again, a very rare option to find on any of the 3 Series saloons, but one well worth having. If we shut the boot down and move back around here, you will see there that it does have the reversing camera. Of course, it's a 66 reg, so it does still have manufacturer's warranty at BMW. And we're also proud to offer some great finance packages on this car or any of our other current stock here at Your Next Car, using such established lenders as MotoNovo Finance and Alphera and Santander Finance as well. Okay, so let's start the car up and I'll try and show you some of the beautiful interior features and options we have. So once again, one of the benefits of it being the 66 reg is the new facelifted iDrive we have. A couple of new benefits to that is the connected drive features. We'll do the online search and I'll show you that straight away. So you can see I've already programmed it in where we can search for pretty much anything you like. It's like using Google on your phone. So I've searched for, obviously, us there, Your Next Car, and it'll bring up our web page, and it'll also bring up contact information and opening hours and so on and so forth. We of course have heated front seats. Another little added extra is the heated steering wheel. As you can see there, I've got that switched on. Very worthwhile option and extra to have at the moment in time with the cold weather we're having. As you can see on the odometer, it's only covered just over 41,000 miles. So another low mileage example. We of course have the professional media and Nav Pack. So there's your sat nav, music collection, as well as AUX, USB and full DAB as well. And if I just spin the camera around now, you'll note something a little bit special, quite rare as well, is the electric roller blind. Don't see them very often anymore, however it is a really nice option to have, especially if you do have the little ones in the back. Just gives that a bit of sun protection. And of course we can then open up the glass sunroof all the way open as well to let in that light onto the beautiful Old English saddle brown interior. Flappy pedal gearbox ties in really nicely with the hybrid, and of course you also have the different sport settings as well. One last little feature on the interior I don't want to forget is this vehicle does have wireless phone charging. So you put your phone onto this dock here and it'll charge it up for you, saves you having to have one of the USB leads or a 12-volt cigarette charger. Again, another rare and expensive optional extra that is fitted to this stunning 330e. Okay guys, that's just about it from me here on the BMW 330e in Tanzanite blue. If you do have any further questions, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. As I say, this car is definitely well worth the visit to truly appreciate how stunning the colour is. Okay guys, hope to see you very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you. Goodbye.